So hello guys, how are you? I hope you're all doing awesome. I'm here to make a video on online earning by using only your mobile phone through Shopify Dropshipping, and I want to tell you something that most of the YouTubers never told you before. So let's start. Firstly, you have a phone that obviously you have. Now open Google and search Shopify and open the first link. Now the main process. If you want to make your phone a laptop, go on the 3 lines on the top or bottom of your browser. Anyone you're using, click on desktop site and boom, you are on laptop screen. Now click on start free trial and log in with your email and give some blah blah that it'll ask, and now your store is ready. Now the main process to customize the theme of your store that you'll do from any freestyles and theme from Shopify and customize it. Now the main setting that no one will tell you, you have a 4-day free trial, but you can't make the store to earning for you because you have to select a plan for your store. And the big mistake most of people do here is they choose basic plan in their starting. This is not a good idea. I'll tell you that there's another plan that is more affordable and cheap than basic plan. Now scroll down a little bit and you see here's another plan, which named starter plan. In this plan, we'll get our store in just $5 per month. And through my link, you'll get 3 months only for $1. Now select on starter plan, select a payment method and pay for the plan. And they also told you when your plan become active, when you select this plan, your store become official. Let me tell another thing about the Shopify store that if you don't buy any plan, no one can access your store officially. They always need a password to open your store, but this plan is almost affordable and everybody can hire this. Now your Shopify store become active officially, and you have to search for a supplier from where you will import and list the trending products in your store without any investment from the selected site. And I recommended you the most relevant and best delivery time website, CJ Dropshipping. This is a site from where you can select any product for dropship. You can link your Shopify store with this site and import products directly to Shopify store. So first sign in for CJ Dropshipping and make an account. Now go on Shopify store search on Shopify apps and search TJ Dropshipping. You'll get this click on Add App and install it into your Shopify store. Now, go on CJ Dropshipping and search your product that you need. Find a best price for that product and shipping of the products that you can afford as a beginner. Here's another thing I want to tell you, that whenever you'll get an order on your Shopify store, you have to pay CJ Dropshipping to deliver the product to the customer. If you want to know this process, comment down below. I'll make a separate video on the order fulfillment. Now, select your product, click on list, and choose your Shopify store. Select the product type and vendor. Customize the price of your products according to the colors or sizes. If you want to make the price same of all variants, click here and put your amount here. Another thing I want to tell you, that you have to pay the shipping fees also for the product to deliver to customer, so manage the price according to the shipping method. There are several shipping methods, but I recommend you to select CJ Standard Shipping because it is affordable and shipped your product to any country within very low price. After set the pricing, click on list and wait for listing process. Now your product has been listed in your Shopify store. Click on view the store, and this is the product you imported. Now run ads for your products to get sales. If you have a TikTok account, go on that, give your store link in TikTok bio and start uploading videos about your products and get sales. You can also run ads on Instagram and Facebook, but it'll be a little bit expensive. So I recommend you, if you don't want to spend on advertisement, go on TikTok and start uploading content about your product. Then you'll get order from your TikTok accounts and you'll earn without running ads. Another thing, that if you want to make a good impression of your customer on your store, go and customize the store, like edit the title bar, edit product pictures, and change color schemes that you like for your store. You can preview your store from here. You can also edit the footer of your store, like you can enter your email or Facebook or Instagram account in the footer or header of your store now. Save the settings, and your Shopify dropshipping store is ready. You can search more trending products, find them on CJ Dropshipping, import them on your store and start running ads, or create videos on TikTok and start getting orders. Hope so you learn from this video. If you need any help, comment down below. I'll try to solve your problem. Like the video, subscribe our channel, and enable the bell icon to get notified rapidly for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.